Welcome to the SketchUp to Layout video course. I'm Matt Donnelly from MasterSketchup.com, and I created this course along with my book, SketchUp to Layout, to teach you how to create construction documents using SketchUp Pro. SketchUp Pro includes a program called Layout, which is the main focus of this course. This course includes complete step-by-step instructions on how to use Layout. You don't need to have any experience at all with Layout. On the other hand, you should have at least some experience with SketchUp. You should be able to create basic models, organize them into groups and components, and things like that. Now, if you don't have any experience with SketchUp, check out my website, MasterSketchup.com, for some free tutorials on how to get you up to speed really quickly. Aside from learning the basics of Layout, you're going to learn some advanced techniques on how to properly organize your SketchUp model specifically for Layout. And you'll also learn some advanced techniques for creating section cuts of your SketchUp model. So let's take a look at how this course is organized so you know how to go through it at your own pace. The SketchUp to Layout video course is hosted on the udemy.com platform. So you'll have to log into Udemy in order to access your course material. The thing that's really cool about Udemy is you can access it from your computer or from any mobile device. So you can download the Udemy app on your smartphone or tablet to access your course and follow along the videos. So it'll also keep track of your progress as you go along through the different lectures, so you'll know which ones you've seen and which ones you haven't seen. So this specific course is divided up into a few different sections. So the first section is the introduction, which is this video here, as well as the bonus material that you get with this course. So by purchasing the video course, you're also getting the SketchUp to Layout ebook, which is available as a PDF. You also get the SketchUp to Layout Professional package, which has a custom library of CAD hatch materials and CAD styles. So you can download all of the materials from these three lectures here, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So when you click on the lecture to go to the download, you'll see some instructions here. And this image is just showing you that you need to come up to this right-hand side and click the download button in order to access the downloadable materials. So you'll just click this link right here and it'll activate the download. Now, most of the files that are included in this course are zip files, so you'll have to unzip the file once you've downloaded it in order to access the actual material. The next part of the course is all about SketchUp. Now, you should have a basic understanding of SketchUp, but this is going to go over some of the really important concepts that you should know while you're creating a model specifically for Layout. It'll also go into how to create scenes where you can have complete control over the look of your model when you're creating viewports inside Layout. Once you've completed the course material on SketchUp, Section 5 begins with the layout orientation. This is a complete introduction to the Layout program, so you don't need to have any experience whatsoever with Layout in order to follow along with this. Now, these sections here are designed to be followed step by step, so you start at lecture 17 and follow right through till you get to the end of the layout section of the course. And starting at section 14, we'll go into some advanced techniques that you can use inside SketchUp to create some neat effects, to create different types of section cuts and different hatching techniques as well. We'll also go into some advanced techniques in Layout to create stacked viewports and things like that. In the last section, we'll go over the 3 different sample projects that were used in this course and in the SketchUp to Layout book. That way you can understand why I put the model together the way I did and how I created the different viewports that you'll see in the Layout sample files. Now, when you're watching a video in the course, Udemy will keep track of where you are. And when you're done watching a video, it'll automatically go to the next video. Now, if you want to skip ahead, you can just click the next lecture button and it'll tell you where you are in the course and it'll start playing the next video. If you ever have any questions about a specific video, make sure to click on the Discussions tab and type in any question or comment that you have about the video, and I'll be sure to respond to your questions throughout the course. I'm going to be keeping an eye on this course and interacting with you guys throughout the whole life of the course. So if you ever have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Now that's all the information you need to know to get started with this video course. So go ahead and download the SketchUp to Layout book in the next lecture and all the bonus material, and get started with the video course in the next section.